If you live in Metairie, you already know that summer heat isn't a short-term visitor, it sticks around. Long, hot days and humid nights can push air conditioners to work overtime, and that often shows up in higher energy bills. What many homeowners don't realize is that their windows may be quietly driving those costs up. Replacing outdated windows can make a noticeable difference in how much you spend on cooling your home. Older windows are one of the biggest sources of unwanted heat gain. Single-pane glass, worn seals, and aging frames allow hot outdoor air to creep inside while letting cool air escape. Your AC has to run longer and harder just to keep indoor temperatures comfortable. Replacement windows are designed to stop that cycle by creating a stronger barrier between your home and Metairie's heat. One of the biggest advantages of modern replacement windows is improved insulation. Today's windows often feature double or triple panes filled with insulating gas. This design slows down heat transfer, keeping the outdoor heat where it belongs, outside. During peak summer months, that insulation helps your home stay cooler for longer periods, reducing how often your air conditioner needs to kick on. Low emissivity glass also plays a major role in lowering cooling costs. This specialized coating reflects heat from the sun while still allowing natural light to enter your home. In Metairie, where sunshine is plentiful, low-E glass can significantly reduce the amount of solar heat pouring through your windows. The result is a cooler indoor environment without sacrificing bright, open spaces. Air leaks are another hidden problem with older windows. Even small gaps around frames can let hot, humid air seep inside. Replacement windows are custom-fit and professionally sealed, eliminating those drafts. By keeping hot air out and cool air in, your HVAC system can work more efficiently, which often leads to lower monthly cooling bills. Replacement windows also help manage indoor humidity. Excess humidity can make your home feel warmer than it actually is, prompting you to lower the thermostat even more. Modern window systems reduce moisture infiltration, helping maintain a more comfortable indoor atmosphere. When your home feels cooler naturally, you're less likely to overuse your air conditioning. Beyond immediate energy savings, replacement windows offer long-term financial benefits. Lower cooling costs month after month add up over time, helping offset the initial investment. Many homeowners in Metairie notice a difference in their energy bills almost immediately after upgrading their windows, especially during the hottest parts of the year. Comfort is another major bonus. With replacement windows, rooms stay more evenly cooled, hot spots near windows disappear, and indoor temperatures feel more consistent throughout the house. That improved comfort means you don't have to constantly adjust your thermostat or rely on ceiling fans just to stay comfortable. Finally, replacement windows can increase your home's overall value. Energy efficiency is a top priority for today's buyers, and homes with modern, efficient windows are often more attractive on the market. Even if you're not planning to sell anytime soon, it's reassuring to know that your investment adds both comfort and value. In a climate like Metairie's, where cooling costs can quickly climb, replacement windows aren't just an upgrade, they're a smart solution. By reducing heat gain, eliminating air leaks, and improving insulation, new windows help your home stay cooler while keeping energy bills under control. It's a change you'll feel every day and appreciate every time you open your utility bill.